With MYTOYOTA CONNECT, you can manage your vehicle from anywhere. My Garage gives you access to all your vehicle's information and allows you to make changes to your vehicle's settings. By selecting subscriptions, you can see which services you're subscribed to and opt out if it's not for you. Just like the real thing, the glove box is where you'll find all the manuals and warranties for your Toyota. Vehicle Locator is shown on your dashboard and shows your vehicle's last known location on a map so you can easily get back to it. The MYTOYOTA CONNECT app makes driving simple and straightforward. The Notification tab houses your previous notifications, making it simple to check on something you may have missed. Housed at the top of the dashboard, you'll find the odometer and fuel data. Tap the View Status button for a more detailed look at key vehicle data, like whether your windows are closed. The MYTOYOTA CONNECT app is designed to make owning a Toyota easier, giving you all the information you need in one place. You'll easily find vital information like odometer, fuel level, and distance to empty readings right at the top of the dashboard, making for convenient planning of your next trip. Guest driver settings allow you to set and receive driver alert notifications for speed, time, and distance to your device when your vehicle is driven by a guest, so you know how your Toyota is being driven. You can find your 10 latest trips and easily access information like time, distance, and your Drive Pulse score, as well as seeing your journey on a map. Your Drive Pulse score is made up of real-time data and shows how your vehicle has been driven. You can find your score for each recent trip, as well as an overall score. To find out more, please visit our website. Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.